Bay Area home sellers, if you are selling your home in 2023, I am coming to you with the deal of a lifetime. My company, the Selling Silicon Valley Group, is raffling off to one lucky winner a 0% commission listing. That's right, my company will list and sell one lucky winner's home for free. And we're not just talking like putting some basic pictures up online that look like they were taken on a Polaroid camera and like pressing play and hoping that it sells. No, we're doing the exact same thing that we would do for any other listing. We're talking high-res photography, 4K video tour. We're gonna get the drone out. We're gonna do a full 3D Matterport tour of the property. Syndication to all the major websites, Zillow, Redfin, Trulia, as well as advanced social media marketing techniques that we have been using for years. The same high-end marketing and negotiation tactics that my team has used to sell hundreds of homes here in the Bay Area. One lucky home seller is gonna get all of that absolutely free. All right, entering is easy. All you have to do is text free listing, it's free listing, to the number down below. You'll be sent a link to fill out a brief form. It's gonna take less than 30 seconds to fill out. And once you submit that form, one of my team members is going to be reaching out to you to see if you are eligible for 1, 2, or up to 3 entries. That's right, some of you will be eligible for multiple entries if you fulfill certain entry requirements. So that's it, it's that simple. Don't wait to sign up today. If you are planning to sell your home in 2023, registration is now open. Don't wait because registration closes on March 31st. So that's it, I'm Danny Gould, I'm Selling Silicon Valley, and best of luck to you.